Hello, you're welcome to GreatMinds Protutors YouTube channel, your global destination for professional skills development, career advancement, and lifelong learning. I am Samuel Cyril. On GreatMinds Protutors, we connect learners with expert tutors and professional and industry professionals. Our areas of training and tutorials include data analytics, cybersecurity, web design, web development, UI UX design, and graphic design. So on this channel, you will find free lessons on data analytics, web development, cybersecurity, and other in-demand digital skills. So whether you are a student, a professional, an entrepreneur, or a lifelong learner, GreatMinds Protutors is here to help you learn, grow, and succeed. Please subscribe to our channel so you always find our free lessons on YouTube. Thank you.